Saudi Arabia's ambitious mega-projects, such as the line, are redefining urban development and sustainability. However, the scale and complexity of these projects demand innovative construction solutions to expedite the process while ensuring cost-effectiveness and environmental responsibility. Frame&InFill presents a groundbreaking approach that utilizes containerized structural units and the infill system to revolutionize construction practices, accelerate project timelines, and create sustainable urban spaces. This paper explores the benefits and potential applications of frame&infill in expediting the construction and filling out of Saudi megaprojects, focusing on the line as a prominent case study. Introduction: The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia has embarked on an ambitious journey of creating futuristic and sustainable megaprojects to shape its urban landscape for generations to come. The nation's vision is exemplified by the visionary Project The Line, which aims to build a 170-kilometer-long city with a commitment to preserving 95% of its natural environment. As these megaprojects take center stage in the country's development, there arises a pressing need for innovative construction solutions that can expedite the process without compromising on sustainability. Frame&InFill, a pioneering construction approach, is poised to revolutionize the industry and address the challenges of rapid urbanization. This paper delves into the core principles of frame&infill, focusing on its containerized structural units and the infill system for partition walls, and explores its potential applications in Saudi megaprojects. Overview of Frame&InFill 2.1 Containerized structural units. The heart of Frame&InFill lies in its containerized structural units, which draw inspiration from the standardization of shipping containers. By utilizing steel-framed modular units, these containers offer unparalleled flexibility and adaptability. They can be easily transported across regions, allowing for cost-effective and time-efficient construction. 2.2 The infill system for partition walls. The infill system plays a crucial role in enhancing the efficiency of constructing partition walls. Frame&InFill's composite cardboard technology offers a lightweight and eco-friendly alternative to traditional wood and concrete materials for partition walls. This innovation ensures a sustainable construction process while maintaining structural integrity. Enhancing efficiency in mega-project construction. 3.1 Streamlining the supply chain. With Frame&InFill's containerized approach, the supply chain is optimized, ensuring seamless logistics from manufacturing facilities to construction sites. This streamlining significantly reduces the time required to transport and assemble building components. 3.2 Modular and prefabricated construction. Prefabrication of partition wall elements using the infill system enables parallel construction processes, cutting construction time dramatically. Frame&InFill's modular approach facilitates faster assembly, allowing for the timely completion of mega projects like the line. 3.3 Reducing on-site labor and construction time. By embracing off-site construction and precision engineering, Frame&InFill minimizes the reliance on on-site labor, resulting in greater cost savings and enhanced safety. This approach ensures faster construction while maintaining the highest quality standards. Customization and scalability. Frame&InFill empowers developers with customizable options to meet the diverse needs of megaprojects. The flexibility to scale up or down according to project requirements ensures optimal space utilization and cost-effectiveness. The Line, a showcase for Frame&InFill 4.1 Introduction to the Line. Project The Line exemplifies Saudi Arabia's vision of building a futuristic city in harmony with nature. Stretching across the country's northwest, it promises smart, sustainable living while preserving vast natural landscapes. Frame&InFill's innovative construction methodology aligns perfectly with the goals of the Line. 4.2 Integrating Frame&InFill in the Line. The modular and adaptable nature of Frame&InFill's containerized structural units makes it ideal for integrating into the diverse landscape of the Line. Its infill system for partition walls harmonizes with the project's sustainable ethos, providing smart, energy-efficient solutions. Advantages for the Line's development. Frame&InFill expedites the construction of the Line without compromising its sustainability objectives. The reduced construction time and optimized supply chain ensure that the Line becomes a reality faster, offering a model for future urban development. 4.4 Sustainable and smart living in the line. The innovative infill system allows for seamless integration of smart technologies, promoting energy efficiency and enhancing the quality of life for residents. Frame&InFill's commitment to sustainable materials resonates with the line's ecological aspirations. Environmental impact and sustainability. 5.1 Reducing carbon footprint by utilizing recycled materials and promoting sustainable practices. Frame&InFill significantly reduces the carbon footprint of construction. Its containerized units also contribute to minimal waste generation during construction. 5.2 Sustainable material choices. The infill system's composite cardboard is a testament to Frame&InFill's dedication to sustainable materials. This lightweight and eco-friendly material revolutionizes construction practices by replacing traditional wood and concrete. 5.3 Energy efficiency and smart systems. The integration of smart technologies within Frame&InFill's containerized units ensures optimal energy use, promoting a greener and more sustainable urban environment. 5.4 Waste reduction and recycling. Frame&InFill's modular approach fosters minimal waste generation, and the use of recyclable materials ensures a circular economy, minimizing the environmental impact throughout the project lifecycle. Economic feasibility and cost savings. 6.1 Cost comparisons with traditional construction. The adoption of Frame&InFill's containerized structural units and the infill system significantly reduces overall construction costs. This cost effectiveness makes it an attractive option for megaprojects seeking to optimize their budgets. Return on investment (ROI) analysis. The expedited construction timeline and cost savings translate into a higher return on investment for developers and investors alike, positioning Frame&InFill as a financially rewarding choice for megaproject development. The reduced construction time not only accelerates revenue generation but also allows for earlier occupancy, boosting cash flow and driving faster ROI. Long-term revenue potential. Frame&InFill's emphasis on sustainability aligns with the global trend of conscious living, attracting potential buyers who value eco-friendly and innovative construction. This long-term appeal opens new revenue streams for megaprojects like the line. Developers can capitalize on the premium value associated with sustainable living spaces, ensuring sustained revenue growth over the project's lifespan. Regulatory and policy considerations. 7.1 Adapting to building codes and regulations. Frame&InFill collaborates with regulatory bodies to ensure compliance with building codes and regulations in Saudi Arabia, fostering a seamless integration into the nation's construction landscape. The use of environmentally friendly materials in Frame&InFill's construction aligns with the nation's sustainability goals, making it a favorable choice for approval and support. Promoting prefabricated construction in Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia's commitment to innovation and sustainability presents a favorable environment for promoting prefabricated construction, with Frame&InFill at the forefront of this movement. By encouraging the adoption of such innovative construction techniques, the government can further expedite the realization of mega projects while setting a precedent for sustainable development. Incentives for sustainable construction. Government incentives for sustainable construction projects can further enhance the appeal of Frame&InFill for developers and investors, encouraging the adoption of eco-friendly practices. Initiatives such as tax incentives, grants, and recognition for sustainable developments can drive greater interest and investments in projects utilizing Frame&InFill's revolutionary approach. Challenges and mitigations. Infrastructure and transportation. Addressing transportation logistics and optimizing infrastructure are essential in implementing Frame&InFill on a large scale. Partnerships with regional logistics companies and strategic placement of manufacturing facilities can help streamline the transportation of containerized units to various project sites. Skills and training. Providing adequate training for workers in off-site construction methods will ensure the seamless integration of Frame&InFill's innovative practices. Collaboration with local training institutes and offering comprehensive training programs can bridge the skills gap and empower the local workforce. Perceptions and acceptance. Raising awareness about the benefits of Frame&InFill and overcoming misconceptions about prefabricated construction are vital to its successful implementation. Engaging with stakeholders, industry professionals, and the public through outreach programs and educational campaigns can foster acceptance and encourage the widespread adoption of frame and infill. Expanding frame and infill to other megaprojects. Frame and infill's adaptability and scalability position it as a viable solution for a wide range of megaprojects beyond the line. The success of the line can serve as a catalyst for adopting frame and infill in other prominent Saudi Arabian projects, reinforcing its value and potential in transforming urban development. International expansion and global impact. Beyond Saudi Arabia, frame and infill's innovation has the potential to extend its reach to international markets. Its eco-friendly and efficient construction approach aligns with the sustainability goals of countries worldwide, making it a desirable solution for urban development projects globally. Conclusion: frame and infill's containerized structural units and infill system for partition walls offer a transformative approach to construction, presenting a sustainable, efficient, and cost-effective solution for Saudi mega projects like the line. By streamlining the construction process, reducing environmental impact, and maximizing cost savings, frame and infill stands at the forefront of the construction industry's evolution. The successful integration of frame and infill in the line sets a powerful example of how innovative construction practices can shape the future of urban development, inspiring a new era of smart, sustainable, and rapidly constructed mega projects in Saudi Arabia and beyond.